Hi! In this episode we sail from Ponte Brouis to Cairns to pick up our friend Connor.
So we survived our first night on anchor. It's about, 7 o'clock now?
Yeah.
And we're about to set off to Cairns. But yeah,
So we used one of these apps. You can't see it very well. And set it at what, like 30 metres? A bit less overnight?
just less than 30 metres. And we've got 30 metres of chain out.
It's at 25 on here at the moment.
But it only woke us up at 6.
But yeah, it was fine all night and then woke us up at 6, which was probably a good thing because it means we're now ready to leave.
Yeah, instead of...
For the sunrise rather than...
waking up at sunrise, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. So we will be in Cairns, hopefully, before Connor.
Yeah. Just got to get the anchor up now.
Yes, well, we're refilling the fuel first.
Yeah.
And then anchor up.
And we're off.
And we're off.
How far is the sail today?
31 miles.
Nautical miles.
So it should be, if we go like if we're travelling a similar speed to yesterday, with a little bit of wind and very flat water, then that should be like 6 hours. A consistent 5 knots, maybe even a little bit less if we're lucky.
Cool.
That's good.
Yep. Yeah, you can't really... Is the light at the top still on?
Hard to say. We need to check it at the marina one night.
Yeah. So you can look at it from a distance.
Yeah. Well, look at it at the right angle, yeah.
Alright.
So, let's get the camera.
We got some diesel from a petrol station in Toulon because...
Our engineer from SATE told us that the marina fuel's not, despite it being like a good 50% more expensive than other fuel, is not as good quality as fuel from the regular petrol station. So we filled the jerry cans. And I think we probably will be in the future as well. It's cheaper. And if it's cleaner as well,
why not?
Why not indeed? Oh, everything's
and
all chewy.
We had a lot of spare empty gas bottles from Felixstowe where sometimes they couldn't, they didn't know when they'd next be able to get them in, so we used to buy a few at a time. And we left all of those empty ones that we didn't want anymore in the marina so we could fit the jerry cans down here instead of having them in the back with Connor, because I don't think that would be very nice. Be a bit smelly.
That's what I meant before.
Yeah. I did get it off in the end, but you'd already done it.
Oh, so we're just putting in the diesel fuel protection.
No diesel bug in there.
Smells disgusting. Not surprised the diesel bugs don't like it. Oh,
Does it keep you away as well?
keeps me away. I'd be surprised if there was anything that smell doesn't repel.
We got a new hose pipe too.
We did, which Tyler's very pleased with.
I am pleased. Oh. We still need to get an adapter for it to actually be able to plug it in, which is... You just going to put one in or both? Might as well put both in.
Put both in. I think we'll need both.
Don't we can fill them up? In cans. What? I didn't realise that. Second one going in. They're both 10 litres, right?
Yeah.
Ben's just taking down the, what do you call it? Anchor ball?
The anchor ball, yeah.
Signal thing. That just lets people know you're anchored, right?
Yeah.
The engine is sorted.
Yeah.
Bled
Yeah,
again.
Lead it again.
We're gonna try and sort it out while we're in Cairns, I think.
The thing is, it takes so long for the problem to occur. Like it's after about 8 to 10 hours of motoring that it's hard to, once we've changed that fuel bulb, the bulb pump, it's hard to then run the engine for enough time to test whether or not that's done it. I mean,
Well, as in if we take that out?
the thing is, can't do with no wind, in which case we're just bobbing around and I can fix it, or it's rough day with wind, in which case hopefully we're not using it, and if we are,
Yeah, that's true.
then we can sail
Sail
whilst we're
to
fixing it.
somewhere you can fix it, or yeah, it'll keep it more stable so you can fix it with the sails, I guess.
Yeah, and so hopefully it's a problem that has solutions. If it's, I mean, I will be replacing that bulb pump when we get to Cairns.
Yeah,
but
it
if
very
it's
much
not
seems
that,
like it is that.
Yeah, I can't think of anything else it would be.
Right,
Time for the anchor in.
now what?
Time to get the anchor in.
What do you want me to do? Just
So,
stand here in case I need to steer or anything, or what?
it's a good question. I mean, I'm going to see what the weight on it's like. They say you want to pull the engine forward a bit.
You did it?
Yeah, we pulled the anchor up. We're away, on our way to Cairns. It was quite hard work
Yeah.
without a windlass, but it's doable for sure, so no worries.
So yeah, I think that
Yeah.
was a successful
It was
first...
a successful night at anchor for sure.
Yeah. And it's definitely a good job we woke up earlier because it's now 10 to 8.
Yes,
And we wanted to leave by 7:30 really, so...
that's true.
But we should still get there around 2, so...
Yeah, maybe even a bit sooner if I can get the sail up
Yeah.
in a bit. Just after we're around this headland, I'll know what the wind's doing. And we'll hoist it up then.
Yeah, there's a
Hard to
boat
head into
over
the
there
wind
with the
for any
sails on.
distance now because the rocks are there to get the main up.
They've got theirs up over there.
Yeah,
We'll see.
they're coming with the wind. It's the
Oh, are they the other way around?
we're about to turn, kind of head towards the wind, but I think we'll be able to a little bit. It might be a bit quicker.
Yeah. Nice. It's so weird to do. It's very cloudy,
Yes, it's much cloudier than yesterday.
and we couldn't really see the sunset or rise because it's very cloudy. But it's still very pretty.
We're coming into Cairns. The wind's picked up a little bit, it's in a nice direction too.
Time for another med mooring.
It's not feeling as windy this place in, which is nice, so hopefully it shouldn't be any bother.
Nice and still to get in.
As we're coming in on the west side of the pontoon and backing into the east, which is into the wind, which makes it like considerably easier.
But backing into the wind, or the wind's pushing you off?
I think, yeah, the wind's pushing you off of the pontoon, you're backing into it.
Yeah.
I think it makes it so much easier because you
You're
haven't
less
got to
likely
worry
to-
so much about that slide line being out there quickly because you've got more control of the back rope.
Yeah.
Tyler's just raising the fenders up, ready to dock in Cairns. Still under sail at the moment. We're about 1 mile out now. Well, the wind's picked up as we've whipped around the back of this island. We're doing over 5 knots now.
Lots of big boats. So it's one of these strips over here.
Yeah.
Ben's just turning around in the smallest space ever because we went past the space we're meant to be in. Well done.
So Connor's just arrived.
Yeah, baby, that's right. Out in fucking Cairns. Oh, sorry, mind my language. Edit that out. Gotta get that ad revenue, am I right?
We were sailing for about 6.5 hours earlier. So yeah, we got in just after 2:30. And got a nice bit of sailing in just before we came into Cairns. The last couple of hours was nice.
It got pretty rough though.
It did get pretty rough around 12, but I went to sleep then.
You were right. And
Yeah,
Ben
all
went
that-
to sleep and just left me there.
All that turbulence, baby.
There was a lot of turbulence.
Oh my gosh, look at these.
What?
They're high energy PE teacher glasses.
These are Oakley Maxo.
Oh yeah.
You look great.
Beautiful.
I don't like it.
No, I'm not a huge fan. I don't think I find it hard to find any kind of glasses that really suit me, to be honest.
Try these ones.
These ones.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah? Tyler's not convinced.
Look, you
funny.
just have to be there in the early noughties like I was with all the other ravers to just know that, oh my
be
god,
able
is
to
that, nearly,
appreciate the culture.
is that nearly snapped already? That's coming straight off my head.
Are we enjoying Ninja Warrior?
J'adore le Ninja Warrior. Je suis le rêveur.
It's a little bit slow in real life.
Je suis Ninja Warrior. Yeah, it's a bit weird. What the fuck have we got into? What else are you gonna do on a Tuesday?
As if, yeah, it's a Tuesday night. If it was Tuesday night, it would be the prime time to watch Ninja Warrior on the TV.
That's true.
Yeah, it's a bit to the side, I think. It's like a side and... Oh, he did his late himself.
Back yourself, man.
What a shame.
Back yourself.
Oh, man.
What's he fucking doing, the muppet?
Oh, that's clinical. Oh. Don't gas yourself. Oh my gosh. Oh god.
This is like professional ninja warriors.
Damn.
Bloody hell.
Insane.
This next one is brutal.
Yeah. Insane put-ups. This guy's good.
Yeah. Right, should we start working towards the wall? I'm back in.
Oh no, I'm gonna see it out.
This is the view literally from the boat.
Yeah. The boat is just here.
And there's Ninja Warrior.
Bizarre. Connor's still getting the hang of the early morning routine on the boat.
Oh, yeah, it's a bit intense, like, you know, 9 o'clock. No, it's fine, I just didn't sleep well.
Get the hang of not swearing in front of all the viewership. All those children you play.
We can squawk it out or something. Hello. We need to sort out our anchor holding situation. And also put the chain away. Not right now. It's quite a long job because
There's a few things we need to do, isn't
feet sound
there?
like there's
Maybe
a few
on
more
Saturday
things.
and Sunday if the weather's still bad.
Yeah, I mean Friday's going to be awful, Saturday's going to be not great, Sunday's going to be okay, so maybe
Sunday and Monday.
Saturday's our day to get stuff done.
To work through that list of stuff.
But they want us to leave this port on Friday in the midst of some really bad mistral-y type stuff.
I think we might just have to be like, no, we're staying.
I don't know if that's
Because the thing
too
is,
distinct of a possibility.
we phoned them before we got here,
Yeah.
told them how long we were planning on staying, and
they
they
were like,
said
that's
it was fine.
They have a space, so we didn't make like alternative plans.
But then when we got here, there was a boat already in.
Yeah, we had to
The
move
space
around
we were
3
supposed to
times.
be
and
in.
apparently there's a regatta this weekend and they're gonna
Yeah,
need
like
the
we
space
were
back.
We were over there somewhere, and then we were just opposite here.
It looks like that boat's still in the space we were meant to go
Yeah,
into.
yeah, but this boat here was supposed to move. Well, that's where we were supposed to go to start with, and then it was meant to move, and it didn't, and now we're
still here.
here.
Well, if he hasn't moved on Friday, I shan't be, that's for sure.
No.
But no, I mean, I
Lots
will.
of-
If they want me to move, I'll have to move.
Yeah.
But there's a visitor pontoon over there. But considering the direction of the wind and swell on Friday, it's looking
Yeah.
like that'll be a particularly unsheltered spot.
Oh yeah. Lots of mooring practice though.
Lots of mooring practice. The first one went badly. The second two went quite well. So
Yeah. Getting there.
yeah, as long as we can keep that kind of ratio up, I think I'll be able to live with it.
And now we're gonna go and look at the market and get some.
Yes, to
Fresh
Cairns
food.
market.
I'm going to stay, keep my language PC in this lovely, bountiful market.
We're going to go have a look at the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Ninky Minjaj.
No, I'm so happy that we can stay in that same place. It's a good place and it's nicely sheltered in the harbour.
Wow.
Very nice. Yeah, today would have been a nice sailing day.
You reckon?
It looks like
For
it
sure.
would have been lovely.
Looks clean.
But you gotta work.
Yeah, unfortunately so.
Oh, this is supposed to be the hotel, which is like the French favourite or something like that.
Is it warm?
It is cold and spicy.
They feel solid on your head, like they're light but they're not coming off. They'll do. Got some sunglasses finally.
Options. To your right we have sunshine. To your left we have
Downhill.
narrow.
Looks like that's a good view up there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, the mountains look good in the distance over there.
They do.
If you look through the glass, sunglasses, there's sort of a rainbow apparition just there, that cloud.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, it's a lot clearer with the sunglasses. But
Nice. Should we wander around here?
oh look, nugget dust. It is electric.
Oh, that house.
Yeah, that house, which is the Rothschild Villa, I think, and then, or maybe.
This would be a cool place to leave the camera for a time lapse. Watch it get dark
Watch Ninja
and the
Warrior
lights
light
come
up.
on. Yeah.
Yeah, the lights actually.
Yeah, chimneys are something that in England they... Pretty cool.
Those feet and hands. The affection with someone.
What have you cooked for us today, Connor?
I've made spaghetti alla puttanesca, even though we're in France, so a bit disrespectful, but whatever. Not the traditional recipe, but you know, for horse pasta it's pretty good.
How have you found the galley?
Cooking in the galley has been challenging, but very rewarding, as you can see by the state of tonight's dinner. Doesn't look all that appetising now, but
it smells
boy, oh
very
boy.
good though.
The fumes are coming off. I'm in the harbour. Got the bright city lights, you know, behind my head, and a fat bowl of pasta in front of me. Look at those clouds.
San Juan Bahía murió, que de Puerto Rico es San Rimón. Quisiera yo dedicarle esta bomba que tengo aquí. Mi tierra es la isla del encanto donde por primera vez.
Nolly, so how you enjoying exploring Cairns?
Oh yeah, baby. Nice and salty, nice and seedy. My legs are tired, and I'm ready for more. Some of your. Oh yeah. Wow.
Beautiful.
Hey, hold on. Follow me down, good, because that gives us time to go to shops.
Yep.
Well, the shops will now be open.
Exactly.
Siesta's over, baby. And then yeah.
This is a particularly good view.
It is really.
You got a mountain backdrop and boats in the background.
Tyler's got a whole
Sat on a wall.
cross-legged Buddha vibe going on. Kids doing skate tricks in the background, mugging me off, making me look like a child.
And Connor's doing a spready.
I do look like a little boy at the beach today, to be fair. I'm not going to get in this position.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you won't miss a video. Share the channel with everyone you know who might be interested in watching too. Doing all of these things really helps us to reach more people. Thank you so much to everyone that's been to my Ko-fi page so far and donated money to help us keep going. I'm so grateful for that, it really helps us out. I've set up a Patreon now too, in case anyone prefers the idea of supporting us that way. There's a link to that, my Ko-fi page, and PayPal too in the description. Thanks again for watching. In the next video we leave France and sail from Cannes into Italy.